Good morning everyone. Today I am doing the Siemens ECU 5WK93637. That's the common problem. If this ECUs come in common in 3 series but is come in 4 series as well. So if you diagnose the car, you can see the code coming 30BA and 30BB, and sometimes the DMA injector 1 and 4 internal fault, and 2 and 3 DMA internal fault, and sometimes is coming 29 CD, 29 CE, 29 DOS, 29 CF. If you have like this type of problem, this type of the ECU, you have to bring the ECU to us. We can repair, and sometimes the car not starting and the injector misfire and long start. That's the common problem in the ECUs, and people changing the injectors and still the problem is still same. If you have this type of the problem, you have I will give you my phone number and contact. You can contact us on this number 07402536382, and we are in Hounslow. You can see my other videos, and my address is Tango Whiskey 33 Tango, and we can repair in your ECU like 1.5 hours, and should be plug and play, no need programming, nothing. Only is easy to take it out and bring the unit to us, or you can bring the car. I don't think so you will bring the car because the car not starting, so it's better you can post it and we will send it back to you next day. So my name is Terry. We are in Hounslow near Heathrow, London. You can see my other videos. If you have any problem, you can contact us on WhatsApp, and you can contact on this number anytime, so we can solve your issue. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, and you can see my other videos. We are specialists in ECU electronics, transmission control module, A class, B class, CVT and DSG unit 7229, ABS units, instrument clusters, airbag crash reset. So you have any problem, you can contact anytime. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks, bye.